A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is junk food. No food is ever junk. Ladies and gentlemen, in the grand design of existence, nothing is created without purpose. Every seed holds life. Every grain stores energy. And every fruit carries the memory of the sun. Yet, in today's world of haste and hunger for convenience, humanity has labeled some of nature's offerings as junk food. The term itself reveals a paradox. How can anything that springs from nature's womb be junk? Perhaps it is not the food, but the intent, preparation and consumption that distort its essence. For in truth, no food is ever junk. Only awareness can turn nourishment into waste or wisdom. Food is not mere substance. It is life transformed into sustenance. It enters the body, becomes chemistry, and finally consciousness. The human body is an intricate constellation of living cells, trillions of them, each a microcosm of intelligence performing its designated function. Every day, hundreds of billions of new cells are born, renewing tissues, repairing damage, sustaining thought, and fueling vitality. The true purpose of food is to supply nutrition per calorie, to nourish these countless cells with the elements required for life. Each cell depends on a delicate balance of amino acids, vitamins, minerals, fats and glucose to generate its own energy and fulfill its designated task. When nourishment is complete, the body radiates strength, clarity and balance. When food offers energy without nutrients, the cells weaken, age prematurely, and lose their ability to protect and repair. The process of eating, therefore, is not mechanical but sacred. Nutrition is a dialogue between food and cell, between energy and function. It is through this exchange that the mind remains sharp, the heart steady, and the spirit luminous. No single item can fulfill every nutritional need. Nature teaches that diversity sustains life. Grains provide energy. Pulses restore protein. Fruits and vegetables bring antioxidants and minerals, while seeds and oils sustain cellular membranes. A meal assembled with balance and awareness becomes a harmony of nourishment. What is often termed junk food is not inherently bad. It is merely incomplete. Designed to please the palate rather than nourish the body, such foods offer fleeting pleasure but little purpose. They stimulate taste buds while starving cells, flooding the system with instant energy but no true repair. Their danger lies not in their presence but in their dominance. Occasional indulgence may delight, habitual dependence diminishes. To dismiss any food as junk is to overlook its origin. Even the sweetest syrup, the saltiest snack, the richest fat began as part of nature's raw bounty. It is through human manipulation, imbalance, and excess that the essence of food is lost. Awareness redeems what ignorance corrupts. When the act of eating becomes mindful, even the simplest meal becomes sacred medicine. What's the way forward? The path forward lies in discernment, not denial. Understanding what the body and mind require and choosing accordingly becomes the highest form of intelligence. Food education must rise above packaging and flavor, reaching into the deeper awareness of cellular need. Nutrition is not a diet chart, but a moral and biological balance, an alignment between energy, ecology, and purpose. When the act of eating honors both nature and necessity, the body flourishes and the mind attains clarity. Moderation and mindfulness restore the harmony that modern living often disrupts. The future of health, both individual and collective, depends on this awakening, a conscious relationship with food as a living force, not a commodity. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in a sense, no food is ever junk. It is perception and misuse that corrupts its role. Nature has provided everything for vitality and balance, but awareness must guide consumption. The science of nutrition and the wisdom of moderation are not separate truths. They are the twin guardians of human well-being. As the revered Bhagavad Gita proclaims in the divine words of Lord Krishna, harmony in eating, movement and rest brings freedom from suffering. Within this eternal message lies the essence of health and existence. The body is the temple, food its sacred offering, and balance its eternal prayer. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.